Is wearing shorts while playing football haram? The question posed is that can we wear shorts while playing football? Is it haram or is it permissible? As far as wearing shorts is concerned, your shorts should cover the aura. That is the minimum private part that should be covered. The aura in the male, for the Muslim man, it is from the navel to the knee. There are differences of opinion regarding whether the navel should be included or not, whether the knee should be included or not. According to the Hanfi school of thought, even the knee is included in the aura. All agree it's from navel to the knee. The Hanfi school of thought, even the knee is included. According to Imam Shafa'i and Imam Malik, they say that only that which is between the navel and the knee is the aura, should be covered. Means the navel doesn't fall in the aura, neither the knee falls in the aura. But this is just a small difference. We agree that the right ruling is it is between the navel and the knee. The navel and the knee don't come in the aura. This is the correct opinion. But I would rather say that for safety, it is preferable that you cover your navel as well as the knee, because if you are going to play football, or if you are going running, or if you are wearing shorts for sports, your short should be long enough to cover the aura that between the navel and the knee. Preferable it even covers the knee, because you know it can shift. So according to me, it's better that it covers the knee and covers the navel also. So there's a little bit extra. So while you're playing football, while you're jumping around, while you're kicking, there are chances that your shorts will shift. So the longer it is, the better it is. So for safety, I would recommend it should be below the knee at least, so that there are less chances that your aura, the portion between the navel to the knee, is exposed. So that's the reason you can play sports, whether it be running, whether it be football, whether it be hockey. You can wear shorts, but the shorts should cover the aura that between the navel and the knee, preferably even cover the navel as well as the knee. Hope that answers the question.